In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce, a valuable skill that can streamline how you manage and utilize your CRM data. Whether you're preparing to share data with a third party, conducting a data analysis, or simply need backups for your peace of mind, exporting data from Salesforce is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to ensure you're on the home dashboard. This is your control center and provides numerous options to optimize your Salesforce experience. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a gear icon. This icon represents settings, and it's your gateway to accessing the configuration options within Salesforce. Gently click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Setup. Now don't worry if this sounds a bit technical. The Setup area is just where Salesforce lets you customize and oversee various settings, and you'll soon see how user-friendly it can be. Upon entering the Setup area, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find a search bar labeled Quick Find. This is a powerful tool that helps you quickly locate the specific settings you want to adjust. In the Quick Find search bar, type Data Export. Hit Enter and you'll see the Data Export option pop up. Click on it to proceed to the Data Export page. Once you've navigated to this page, you're in the right place to start the export process. Here you'll see a button labeled Export Now. Clicking this button takes you to the section where you can choose precisely which pieces of data you want to export. And here's one important thing to keep in mind. Salesforce gives you flexibility by letting you select specific objects to export. Take a moment to think about which data sets are essential for your current needs. Are you looking to export contact information, account histories, or maybe sales data? Select the objects that you require by checking the relevant boxes on the screen. Finally, with your selections made, direct your attention to the Start Export button. Clicking this button will initiate the export process. Depending on the size of the data you're exporting, this process might take a little time. Once the export is complete, you'll receive a notification and download link, ensuring you can securely retrieve and use your data with ease. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough to exporting data from Salesforce. Remember, being meticulous in your selections and patient during the export process can make a significant difference in obtaining the data you need efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your data effortlessly. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.